Choose from 8 simple cooking presets to customize your favorite recipe and enjoy the crispy and crunchy texture as deep frying. So welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notification bells. So in this video, I'm going to be featuring this Joyami air fryer, which is really compact, and I'm very thankful for the company to send me this product to try it out. So as you can see that it is very compact looking, easy to set up on your countertop, and not taking that much of a space, and it will easily blend in your kitchen decor. So it comes with a 110-volt plug, and this is amazing because it has a 360-degree full circulation cooking, and it also has a vent on the back side, so it's like an exhaust fan. And the amazing feature is that see-through window. So when you turn it on, it gives you this 8 presets, and when you press the menu option, you have a choice of to choose the temperature, to choose the time, and everything. So this is how it looks inside of the air fryer. So the basket is removable and made up of stainless steel with a non-stick coating that ensures easy and fast cleanup, and it has this silicone edges so that it does not scratch the surface of the basket, and it's easy to slide it in like this. So it looks very pretty, and let's slide it in. Once you slide in, you will see the control panel light up, and you can select to fry, bake, or grill or cook your food with 85% less oil, so you can prepare healthy and delicious meals in no time. You can set the desired temperature from 180 degrees Fahrenheit up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and from time from 1 minute to 60 minutes to suit your personal recipes. And the best feature I like is that this see-through window, so you can watch your food as you cook and see the progress of what's going on without the need of pulling out the basket every time. So let's start the recipe. Today I'm going to make a samosa. So in a pan, I'm going to take about 1 teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to add cumin seeds, add asafoetida and fennel seeds, and some coriander seeds and green chilies chopped. And I'm going to saute for a few seconds, and grated ginger. Then I'm going to add green peas. This was the frozen peas, so I just defrosted it. And then add boiled and mashed potato, and then mix everything well. And we are going to season with some spices. Here goes garam masala, salt as per taste, turmeric powder, a red chili powder, and chaat masala. It gives a nice tangy flavor. So I'm going to mix everything well until the spices are well blended, and as you can see, the mixture is already looking very nice and spicy, and that's what you want. You want the spices to be more because when you put it into the wrapper, then it will balance the taste. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let this mixture cool, and we are going to prepare the samosas. So our stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to use the tortillas to make this recipe. So I have cut the strip of the tortilla just like this. Now this is the paste. I have hot water and some all-purpose flour mixed so that it becomes like a gluey, so it's easy to bind it. Now I have created a pocket like this. Now I'm going to fill up the stuffing and then just wrap it around and make a triangle shape. This is very easy, and it is a very quick recipe to fix a dinner, and very healthy too. So our samosa is wrapped and ready to be air fried. So let's air fry them. Put it in the basket like this. I'm going to turn on, and with French fry looking symbol, I'm just going to keep on that, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I set the time 20 minutes. I don't think it will take that long, but let's see. Because I have a see-through window, so I have an advantage. I can check whether it's done or not. So half a time has elapsed, 11 minutes left, so it passed 9 minutes. I'm going to check and see it is done in 9 minutes. So you can have a really crispy and crunchy samosas in 9 minutes, and it is crunchy and crispy, and I'm going to show you how the crunch sounds. So you can hear this, right? How crunchy it is. So it is perfect, and you can enjoy it with your favorite chutney. I have linked all the recipes in the description box. Also, the link to purchase this air fryer is in the description box. So check this out and start enjoying the fried recipes guilt-free, as this will be a healthy way to eat all the deep fried foods that you crave. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.